Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami and you are watching Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Dear friends, in this video lecture today I am going to discuss about 9 things to consider before starting plaster wall. Many students, they don't know that what are the important points before starting plaster wall. So in this video you are able to learn, but if you watch this video to the end, then you are able to know all points which are too much important before starting plaster wall. So let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so must like this video and subscribe this channel. Let's start. So the first point is finish remaining wall making. Many laborers, they start plastering work, they start plastering wall, but they don't complete the remaining wall. So first of all, you have to complete all the remaining walls, then you are able to start, because the second step is after masonry plaster work. Okay, so first of all you have to complete the masonry work, means remaining walls, then you are able to start second step, and the second step is plastering wall. Remember this point. Okay, don't do this. First of all complete remaining walls and then start plastering for wall. And the second point is fix all wooden door frames. Don't start plaster work if you did not complete wooden door frames. So first of all you have to completely clear all wooden work, then start plastering. If you not complete wooden work, then it will make many problems and you face more problem in your construction work. So before starting plastering work you have to complete wooden frame doors. And the third point is pour concrete in the gap between door frames and wall. So first of all, when you want to start plaster work, so you have to fix frames, door frames, and you have to pour. So look at this. So this is frame, door frame, right? And this is wall. So here is a gap between wall and frame. So first of all you have to complete, you have to pour the concrete gap between wall and frame door. So this is wall, this is just cross section, sorry, this is just front elevation. So this is wall, right? So this is wall and this is gap between frame and wall. So first of all you have to pour the concrete in the gap between door frame and wall, then you are able to start plastering work. So this is too much helpful, right? Now the fifth one is complete all electrical piping. Many people, but I think it's a very big mistake in civil engineering, right? So first of all you have to complete all the electrical piping and walls. After that, when you complete the piping, electrical piping, then you are able to start plastering wall, right? Too much important. And the sixth one, consider dining basin location on wall. Many people, they don't know that what is the right location for dining basin, but they start the plastering. So first of all you have to ask from the owner of your project that where is the basin, or from the architecture that where is the dining basin. So when you select the locations, then you have to ask from him that we have to do plaster or tiles. If that is tile, so you have to not start the plaster. If that is plaster, so first of all you have to consider the dining basin location on wall, then you are able to start, right? Now the second one is consider AC outlet. First of all we have to consider AC outlet, that where is the AC outlet, and there is the dia of outlet. For AC outlet there is a dia just 3-inch dia. Dia of outlet is 3-inch. So first, and this dia pipe is from PVC pipe, that is PVC pipe, right? So the dia is 3-inch. So first of all we have to consider the AC outlet. When we consider it, then we have to start plaster work, right? And we have to deduct this. Now the ninth one is complete all modification works before starting plaster wall. If there is any mistake, so first of all you have to do all the modification in your construction before starting plaster wall. So these are too much useful points which I have discussed in front of you. So if you have any question about this video, so you just comments, I will try to reply your answer. So it's sufficient for today. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.